How do I feel when I wake up in the morning and go out and do what Sasquatch does? I get this sense of excitement because for me, going out and cooking meat and beautiful meals in the wild is almost as exciting and enthralling to me as it is for a bow hunter going out and going hunting for animals. I get so excited about the constant support from all the people that follow my account. Every day I wake up, I almost pinch myself and think, do I really get to produce amazing products and just go out and love on people and be this entity that people look to for inspiration? It just keeps me going. It's something that blows my mind every single day. And because of the support from my friends, fans, family, and anybody out there following the journey of Sasquatch, I now have the opportunity to launch my 4 new rubs. Erubtion was formulated to take your ribs to the next level. This blend is well-rounded and has a savory, smoky, spicy flavor. I've formulated this rub as a dedication to beautiful Mount St. Helens herself. This blend will blow your mind. It can be used on pork, chicken, beef, potatoes, and anything else you can think of. Stinger, a balanced blend of heat and sweet. We use granulated honey and morita chipotle chilies as a foundation and enhance the blend with a touch of cinnamon and allspice. Great on pork, chicken, prawns, salmon, sweet potatoes, and butternut squash. Black Gold. Black truffles are known as black gold, and so is this blend. This blend has lots of black truffles, savory herbs, and spices, and finished with some organic activated charcoal. Made for beef, but great on pork as well. Mother Plucker, poultry's new best friend. This blend is savory, smoky, with a hint of sweet. Not just for chicken, this is a versatile blend that you're gonna enjoy on pork, potatoes, vegetables, and anything in between. This one will have you saying, Mother Plucker, I like this. The new line of rubs that is launching means so much to me. Every single one of those bottles, all the art was hand-picked. It's all a scene, it's all something that has happened to me while cooking in the wild or growing up in the area where I do the cooks. We've got the Black Gold, we've got Erubtion, the Stinger, and we got that Mother Plucker. I'm so excited to unleash these to the world, and I can't thank everybody enough for the success on Moss, Dirt, and Fire.